to my YouTube channel. My name is Kristin Howard and I am so happy you are here. The purpose of this channel is to help people who want to get started in yoga, but they're not sure where to begin. So you may want to start yoga for many reasons. Maybe it's because you deal with chronic pain, or you suffer from anxiety or depression, or maybe you just want to sleep better. Perhaps you just want to get more flexible. Maybe you're just curious about yoga and you just want to try it out and lead a healthier life. Whatever it is, this channel is for you. And my goal for you is that you discover not only what your body is capable of, but also what your mind is capable of. And you're going to find that you're going to be able to do things that you never imagined you would be able to do. So I'm really excited to get started. Please hit the subscribe button below, and then you will get notified whenever I post a video. And I'm just so excited to get started with you. I will see you on the mat.